Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to view SBI Mutual Fund Statement online in 2025. If you're an SBI Mutual Fund holder, staying on top of your statements is key to tracking your investments and making smart decisions. This process is straightforward, secure, and can be done from the comfort of your home. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your SBI account details ready. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official SBI website at sbi.co.in. Look for the Mutual Funds or Investor Services section. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Once you're there, click on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your username and password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a verification code on your registered mobile or email. This adds an extra layer of security, which is super important in 2025's digital world. After logging in, navigate to the Account Summary or Statement tab. Here, you might see options for different funds. Select the one you want to view. Now, for the fun part, viewing your statement. Click on View Statement or Download PDF, and you'll see a detailed breakdown of your mutual fund holdings, including current value, transactions, and performance metrics. If you need a hard copy, just download it and print it out. A quick tip: always double-check your statements for accuracy and report any discrepancies to SBI immediately. Also, ensure your app or browser is updated for the best experience. There you have it. That's how you access your SBI Mutual Fund Statement online in 2025. It's quick, convenient, and empowers you to manage your finances like a pro. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.